Welcome to Bingo Bear, where fun meets facts.
Can you spot the bouncing ball? Comment the riddle number below and get featured in our next video. It's challenge time. Think you know sports? Guess the game just by the field. Let's go! Tap like and hit subscribe if you're ready. Let's go! Can you guess the sport just by looking at this image? You nailed it! That's a soccer! Which sport is being played here? Take a guess. Bang on! It's cricket! Look at the picture. What sport do you think it is? Game, set, match. You guessed tennis. Can you tell what sport this is from the image? No hints. Swish. That's a basketball. Only true fans will guess this sport right. What is it? Home run! It's baseball. Zoom into the image and tell us. Which sport is this? Hole in one! It's golf. Which game do you think is shown here? Smash hit! That's badminton. What sport is this? Just go with your instincts. Big tackle on that answer? It's rugby. Take a wild guess. Which sport is being played? Ping pong, perfect. You got table tennis. Look closely. Can you name the sport? Making a splash with the right answer. Swimming. One glance, one guess. Which sport is this? Cool move. It's ice skating. Which sport do you see in this picture? And you're off the mark. It's athletics. Can you identify the sport with no help at all? Spike the answer. It's volleyball. Here's a test. What sport do you think this is? Touchdown! That's American football. Think fast. Which sport is this? And they're off. You got it. Horse racing. No text, no hints, just the image. Name the sport. Pedal to the metal. It's cycling. What sport comes to your mind after seeing this? Knockout guess? It's boxing. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. One lucky winner gets a shout out in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your smarty friends.